Ever feel paralyzed by your to-do list? You're not alone. Procrastination affects countless students every day. Today, we uncover its psychological roots and share strategies to overcome it. Procrastination isn't just laziness. It's a complex psychological issue. Understanding its causes can help you tackle it effectively. Let's explore the neurocognitive factors at play. First, let's talk about executive dysfunction. This refers to difficulties in managing tasks. It can make starting assignments feel overwhelming. Understanding this helps you approach tasks more compassionately. Next are reward pathways. Our brains often seek immediate rewards. When studying offers delayed satisfaction, procrastination becomes tempting. Recognizing this helps shift your focus to the long-term benefits of studying. Cognitive biases also play a role. Many students underestimate how long tasks will take. This leads to poor planning and increased stress. Being aware of this bias can improve your time management. Now, let's look at effective strategies. One method is habit restructuring. Breaking tasks into smaller, manageable parts makes them less daunting. Create a checklist to visualize your progress. Another approach is metacognitive reframing. Challenge negative thoughts about your abilities. Replace them with positive affirmations. This builds confidence and reduces anxiety around tasks. Imagine you were overwhelmed by studying for exams. By breaking study sessions into short bursts, you can start feeling accomplished. Tackling small parts allows you to build momentum, reducing procrastination. In summary, procrastination is linked to cognitive factors, not just motivation. Recognizing these roots can empower you. Implementing strategies like habit restructuring can significantly improve your academic performance. Take control of your study habits. Start small and build consistent routines. You have the power to overcome procrastination and succeed academically.